If your computer keyboard stopped working and you don't know what to do now, then this video is for you, a complete guidance on how to fix this issue. Before I proceed, be sure to like, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new video. So let's get started. So on your laptop, your computer or your PC, click on Ease of Access. Scroll down, select keyboard. You activate the on-screen keyboard because the keyboard is not working. Even if you on laptop, the keyboard will not work, so you activate it. So as you can see, the on-screen keyboard is on. You go to the search bar and then you search run. So you click on the run. So when you click on run, you input this, you see a pop-up like this, and then you input devmgmt. And then you put the dots, then you continue with MSC, and also you can use this method. You can go to the search bar and then type device manager. So this is what we want to launch. If you click on OK, the fresh menu will appear. Okay, so this is the menu. Here is the menu. You locate keyboards, then you click on the small arrow pointing to right there. You right-click on this and click on Update Driver. Then click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then you select the standard PS/2 keyboard. and then click on next so it's installed automatically, and then you are done. So from there you just click on close. Close the window and then you'll be asked to restart the computer to make the changes to take effect. Click yes to restart the computer. So this tutorial can help you fix your keyboard problems. If this was helpful, if this isn't working, I will make another video on how to fix your laptop keyboard not working on Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11. If you want to see the next video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification for more contents to support me and help keep this channel growing. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.